What if your savings happened automatically, your bills were always paid on time, your investments grew without any intervention, and your budget tracked itself? Today, I am building that complete automated financial system from scratch using only free AI tools. The biggest enemy of consistent financial progress is not income level. The people who consistently build wealth are not more disciplined than everyone else. They have built systems that require zero ongoing discipline after initial setup. Today, I am building that complete automated system using Claude and Notion, free tools. One afternoon of setup, a lifetime of automatic financial progress. Automation. Layer 1. Savings. The most powerful financial automation, savings leaving before you ever consciously see them. Step 1. Calculate your personalized savings rate using Claude. My monthly take-home income is amount. My unavoidable fixed expenses are amount. What savings rate do you recommend, and how should I split it between emergency fund, investments, and other goals? Claude gives you a personalized allocation across all savings goals. Step 2. Open your bank app. Set up automatic transfers for payday, emergency fund contribution, automatic, leaves account the moment salary arrives, investment contribution, automatic, leaves the same day, long-term savings, automatic, leaves the same day, 3 automated transfers, set up once, run reliably forever. You never make an active savings decision again. The money remaining in your account, that is your guilt-free spending budget. Automation. Layer 2. Bills. Late bill payments cost money and damage credit scores. Automate everything possible. Step 1. List every bill in Claude. Here are all my monthly bills with amounts and due dates. Tell me which to set to direct debit and which require manual payment and why. Claude identifies which bills have automatic payment options. Step 2. Set every eligible bill to direct debit or automatic payment today. Phone, internet, insurance, subscriptions, utilities, everything possible. Step 3. For bills that cannot be automated, set calendar reminders 5 days before due. Step 4. Review all direct debits quarterly to catch unauthorized increases. This quarterly review consistently finds $200 to $400 per year in unnecessary bill creep. Automation. Layer 3. Tracking. Most people either obsessively track everything or completely ignore finances until crisis. The automated middle ground, a monthly 10-minute snapshot system. Build this in Notion using Claude. Build me a monthly financial snapshot template. Include income received, total savings added, investment portfolio value, current debt levels, net worth calculation, and 1 month-over-month insight. Make it completable in under 10 minutes. Claude builds the complete template. You fill it in once per month, 10 minutes, on the first of every month. No exceptions. The template asks only the genuinely essential questions. Net worth is the single number that matters most for long-term wealth building. That is your only required ongoing financial maintenance task. Everything else is fully automated. Automation. Layer 4. Annual reviews. 2 annual reviews keep the entire system optimized. Mid-year review. Every June. Claude identifies outdated or inefficient elements, savings rate needing an update after a raise, bills with cheaper alternatives now available, investment allocation drifting from target, year-end review every December, 1 focus change per year, implemented through automation, compound improvement over decades. The system requires 1 afternoon of setup, 10 minutes monthly, and 1 hour annually. Everything else is fully automatic and compounding. The complete automated financial system, Layer 1, savings leave automatically on payday. Layer 2, all bills on direct debit with quarterly review. Layer 3, monthly 10-minute snapshot in Notion. Layer 4, mid-year and year-end Claude reviews. Financial benefits, consistent savings, zero late payments, automatic investment growth, annual optimization. Claude and Notion are both completely free. Links in the description. Subscribe for daily finance and AI content. See you next time.